Hello, my name is Sarah and this is a compass pose tutorial. Compass pose is a position that requires quite a lot of mobility in your hips and your legs. So make sure you're warm enough before attempting it. Today I'm going to offer you variations with a strap and a block, so if you have them, go ahead and grab them and we're ready to start. We'll be starting in a cross-legged seated position and we'll start by picking up the left leg. So you're going to lean onto your right side and pick up your left leg. If you're already noticing that you're struggling with balance, this is where the block comes into game. You're going to place the block underneath your left hip. That's going to help you with balance. What we want to do here is put the left leg on our left shoulder as if we were putting on a backpack. So you're going to flex your left foot at 90 degrees, place your left arm underneath your left leg and pull back. So you're going to press your left knee back and then put it on your left shoulder as high as you can. The higher the leg is, the easier the next steps will be. So try to get it as high as you can, and then you extend your left arm to the side and down to the floor. This will help you to keep your leg up there and also help you with balance. Keep pressing with your arm against the leg, with the leg against the arm. Release your left foot for a moment, flex your left toes, and with your right hand, hold onto your toes. You can either hold your foot, your ankle, or your toes. The toes are the easier, the ankle is the hardest. So let's begin the easiest way. Holding your toes, you're going to engage your left leg and kick to straighten it. We don't want to use only our right arm to get it up. Yeah, we want to activate the muscles, use active flexibility. That's why you're going to engage your left quadriceps and kick. And you'll see how far you come. Maybe this is where you'll stop. Maybe you'll be able to kick a little higher. Maybe even higher. Maybe the highest, all the way up. So wherever you are, you want to get your chest more forward. Open your right elbow to the side and maybe look over your right elbow to the right. If this is not happening at all, that's why we have our strap here. You're going to take your strap, wrap it around your ankle, and do the same thing. Put your left leg as high up your left shoulder as you can, but now instead of holding your foot, you're going to hold your strap. Same thing, you're going to engage your left leg and kick while lifting your right arm as well. And then again, you can look over your shoulder. So this would be the basic variation of the pose, I would say, the basics. If you want, you can also try a double compass, and I'm going to show you how that goes. So just like before, starting on our left side, we'll put the left leg up the left shoulder, extend the left arm to the side, hold on to the left ankle. But for the double compass, we need to sit with both hips on the floor. So if you're still working on being able to sit with both hips on the floor, first learn that, then join us in this variation. Both hips on the floor, you're going to extend your left leg and kick. But now adding the right leg as well. You're going to begin with your right knee bent in front of you. Then with your left hand, you're going to take your right ankle from the bottom. Keep pressing with your left shoulder against your left leg. Engage your core so that you can balance. And then slowly work on extending that leg. So that was the double compass variation. I'm going to give you one more variation, and that is side compass or Pārivṛtta. It's a combination of the plank pose and the compass. For that, you're going to start with your left leg forward and your right leg back, as if you are doing the second warrior. You will sink your hips a little lower, place your left hand underneath your left heel, We again want to get the leg as high up the left shoulder as possible. So you'll bend your left elbow and get underneath your left leg. Then you're going to lift your left heel and with your right hand, reach from the outside, hold on to your foot or your ankle. Press with your left arm into the floor and lift your leg up. And maybe this is where you'll come. Maybe you'll engage your left leg and kick further. Again, we want to hold the pose with our muscles. So a good check would be releasing the foot and seeing if you can stay there. Coming out of the pose slowly. And of course, doing the poses on both sides. So this was the compass pose, the basic, the advanced variations. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead, give it a try, let me know how it went, and I'll see you in the next video.